Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
This guide shows how to obtain Mink V4 quickly and reliably in Blox Fruits. I will walk you through 3 practical methods step by step. First, we will discuss farming raids and bosses for fruit drops and fragments. Second, you will learn how to roll at the fruit dealer efficiently with saved fragments and bully. Third, I explain safe trading practices to acquire Mink V4 directly from players. Prepare at least 100 fruit fragments and target tier 4 fruit spawns during your sessions. Farm high-level raids and bosses to collect fruit fragments and tier 4 spawns. Focus on scheduled boss timers and group up to speed up kills. Save at least 100 fruit fragments before you start rolling for Mink V4. Go to the fruit dealer and spend fragments or bully during a fresh server to reduce competition. Roll only during server resets and when you have backup bully funds and patience. Repeat cycles of farming and rolling until you land the Mink V4. If rolling fails, use trading as a direct route to Mink V4 from players. Trade securely using friend-only servers and verify fruit age and tier before exchanging items. Offer fair value like other tier 4 fruits, fragments, or agreed bully amounts to attract trustworthy traders. Use screenshots and live trade confirmation to avoid scamming and never accept off-platform promises. Prioritize safe trades and check for live confirmation before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.